Hello, people of the United States of America. This is your host, President George W. Bush. Right now, I'm sitting outside on a nice sunny day out. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna, sit and relax so that way no one will not bother me. But, anyways, I think tonight I'm about to barbecue something like hamburgers and hot dogs. Boy, what a beautiful sunny day. It feels like it's a sunny day out. Dad! What? What do you want now? I'm trying to sit in a nice sunny day out and try to relax. And that way I don't want to be bothered. No. Seriously. What is it now? There's a bird inside the house. A bird? What are you talking about, a bird? No. Seriously, for real. There's a bird inside the house. Come on, follow me. Oh, God darn it. I hate birds. Where? Where's the bird? It's right over there. Oh, that son of a darn biscuit. I'm gonna throw this pigeon with this stone. Oh, God darn it. Where's that weapon? Here it is. Come back here, you flying pigeon. Stupid bird. Dad, what are you doing? You're gonna break something, man. Where's that bird? You crazy? Oh, my back, I'm getting too old for this. Darn it. Daddy, you're gonna break and destroy the whole house. I don't care, because I hate birds. Oh, God. Oh, get away from my face. Get out of here. Get off of me. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here, stupid bird. Help me get this thing off. I hate birds. Well, I guess he really means it.